approximately around like that. Okay, like that. Huh? So you're going to come here. Okay, you're going to turn around. The wand must always see the body. You must be able to turn the wand. Okay, like that. Turn the wand. So the wand is always looking at the body coming to the ear level, not in the Shushumuna. Okay, when you stop here, make them turn this way, go all the way down, make a U-turn the base chakra, go to the other ear, and say 1. Start again. Very simple. Make them start again. They will try to do like this, like this, all complete. Stop it. Start all over again. Coming back. This is the Pingala Nadi, which in Sanskrit it's called right side. That's all. Coming here, all the way down, and Ida Nadi. Ida Nadi means the left side. And then say 2. And start again. Again, coming here, all the way down, and 3. Next, on the Shushumuna, just make a U-turn. Maintain the distance about 6 or 4 inches up. Minimum, go. In front is just until this part.